In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Tableau Desktop with a product key on your Windows 8, 10, or 11 machine. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional installation of Tableau, ready to use for your data visualization needs. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by visiting the official Tableau website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in tableau.com. This is where you'll find all the necessary downloads and resources related to Tableau. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the Products menu. This will display a list of all the Tableau products available for different purposes. From there, click on Tableau Desktop. This is the tool we'll be installing today. Next, look for the Start a Free Trial button and click on it. This option allows you to download Tableau Desktop and use it for a trial period before you need a license. You'll be prompted to fill in some basic details such as your name and email address. This is normal, as Tableau uses this information to manage your trial and keep you updated with any relevant communication. Once you've filled out the necessary fields, click on Download App. Your download should start automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this step could take a little while, so please be patient. After the download is complete, open your File Explorer and navigate to the location where the executable file was saved. Typically, you'll find it in your Downloads folder unless you've specified a different location. With your File Explorer open, locate the Tableau executable file and double-click it to begin installation. The setup process will start and you'll be presented with Tableau's Terms of Agreement. Please take a moment to read through these terms, and once you're comfortable, check the box to indicate your acceptance, then click Install. The installation might take a few minutes, and once it's complete, a new window will open. This is the first time Tableau Desktop is fully set up on your machine. At this point, you'll need to activate your copy with a product key. Locate and click the option to Activate with Product Key. Enter the product key you received with your purchase or trial and click Activate. Finally, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. This step is important because it ties your product key to your user account. Simply fill in the requested information and then click Register. And just like that, you're all set. Tableau Desktop is now installed and ready for use. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're now ready to start exploring the powerful features of Tableau Desktop. Happy visualizing!